What's going on, everybody? Let's do it. We're gonna go play pool. We brought the Coke.
Yay, we're gonna go play pool.
We brought the Coke with us because of that, and the wind's blowing.
It's
Look,
a little cold.
It is. It is a wee cold, but well, it was like 70 today, so that's good temperature. We're gonna go play some pool though. We're gonna go hit it out. She's not gonna kick my ass.
I'm totally gonna kick your ass.
I always win. No, that's a lie.
No.
Sometimes I end up failing.
Last time we tied.
I know. Last time we did tie, and so that was fun. But we're gonna go hit the road. Hit the road on that. Let's get it.
Yeah.
You have to make it because it's on film.
Pressure.
Pressure. Not you almost made the A. Hey, you made one of mine.
I made yours.
Yeah. Watch me miss it.
He's actually kicking my ass tonight. Damn it, Brandon!
That's a win.
I was supposed to kick his ass tonight.
That was a very close up on your face.
We're tied. He scratched, by the way.
I did, and you know what? That was a false win, but she still won, so it's 1-1. Just as simple as that, just a small little video for you guys. Not a bad little deal. We had a lot of fun playing pool, and then we ended up going to eat after that. Yeah, this was filmed. Today's Tuesday. It was filmed 1, 2, 3 days ago, and I'm just now making an outro for it. Just now getting edited. It was made on Saturday the 2nd. Today is Tuesday the 5th. So we had fun, just kind of playing some pool and stuff like that. We normally go play pool a lot, but stay tuned because we got a busy week-ish coming up, and so there's gonna be a lot to film, a lot of fun. So we're looking forward to that. Sorry it took me so long to get to this, but it did. Nothing else that I can really say. It took us a long time. If you guys haven't seen the vanilla orange Coke review, go check it out. It's on my channel. If you want to see the full review, go over to my channel, click on the review an orange vanilla Coke video, and check it out. And if you guys haven't tried it yet, watch the video and then go buy it.